Hello students, good morning to all. So, in the last class, we completed number names from 201 to 500. So, in today's class, we are going to start with the part 6 and the topic is before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. So students, in today's class, we will understand about before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. So let's start with the before numbers. First, we will understand the meaning of before numbers. Before numbers. Before number means predecessor, which is smaller than the given number. So students, one number or else figure will be given to you and we have to write down the predecessor. Predecessor means जो नंबर दिया गया है उससे पहले वाला नंबर लिखना है हमें. Students, let's see some of the examples. So here the first one A, 213 is the given number. So we have to write down the number which is coming before 213. So what will be the before number of this? Yes, 212. As you can see, 213 से पहले क्या आता है? 212. Now next, 481. So 481 here is the given number. So 481 से पहले क्या आता है? 480. Yes, so 480 is the before number. As you can see students in the example, before number हमेशा given number से छोटा होता है. यहाँ given number है 213 and 481. So 212 and 480 ये दोनों before numbers है and they are smaller than the given number. So now we will start with the exercise 1. So students, take out your maths notebook and write down before numbers. Exercise 1. So here as you can see from A to H, different figures are given and we have to write down their before numbers. First, 124, 219, 347, 445, 160, 272, 382 and the last is 500. So students, in this blanks we have to write down the before numbers. Let's check. So students, write down the answers. So here the first one is 124. 124 से पहले क्या आता है? 123. Next, 219. 219 से पहले क्या आता है? 218. Third, 347. So here the given number is 347. So what will be the before number of this? 346. Fourth, 445. So what is the before number? 445 से पहले क्या आता है? 444. Fifth, 160. 160 से पहले क्या आता है? 159. 272. What comes before 272? 271. Second last, 382. 382 से पहले क्या आता है students? 381. And the last is 500. So what comes before 500? 499. Yes. So students, these are the given numbers and in this blanks we have to write down the before numbers. Now students, exercise 2. This is your homework and you have to do it in your maths notebook by yourself. So write down before numbers. Exercise 2. In this, the different figures are given to you and you have to write down their before numbers. 238, 356, 199, 450, 111, 382, 417 and the last is 279. So students, ये given numbers हैं. हमें इन blanks में इसके before numbers लिखने हैं. तो our next topic is after numbers. Let's see what are these after numbers. After numbers. After number means successor which is greater than the given number. So here students, successor. Successor means जो number बाद में आता है. Let's see with the help of an example. 127. So here the given number is 127. So we have to write down the successor of this. Successor means what comes after 127. So students, guess it. 127 के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, 128. Let's see other example. 160. What comes after 160? Yes, 161. So here students, you can see 127 and 160 are the given numbers. And we have to write down the successor. Successor means after number. And as you can see, successor after numbers given numbers से greater होते हैं. Greater means बड़े होते हैं. So here 127 is smaller and the 128 is after number which is greater than the 127. 161 is also greater than 160. Let's start with the exercise 1 of this after numbers. Take out new page and write down after numbers. Exercise 1. So here students, you can see different figures are given and in this blanks we have to write down their after numbers. First is 114. Then 221, 389, 474, 160, 285, 439 and the last is 354. So let's see what are the after numbers of these given numbers. Write down along with me. So 114. So what comes after 114? Yes, 115. So 115 is the after number. 221. 221 के बाद क्या आता है students? 222. Third, 389. What comes after 389? Yes, 390. 474. What comes after 474? Yes, 475. So here 475 is the after number. 160. So 160 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 161. 285. What comes after 285? 286. Second last, 439. So 439 is the given number and we have to write down the after number. So what comes after 439? 440. Last 354. So here the given number is 354 and इसका after number क्या होगा? 355. Yes. So now students, we have completed exercise 1 and exercise 2 is your homework and you have to do it by yourself. So write down on the new page after numbers. Exercise 2. 367. 430. 299. 156. 320. 499. 123. 264. So students, here from A to H, different figures are given and you have to write down their after numbers. So now we will start between numbers. Yes, now let's see what are these between numbers. Between number lie in the middle of the two numbers. The middle number is one more than the previous number and one less than the next number. So students, between number क्या होता है? Between number होता है middle number, जो दो numbers के बीच में हम लिखते हैं. The middle number is one more than the previous number and one less than the next number. So here you can see A example 115 and 117. So these are the given two numbers and we have to write down the between number. As you can see students, 115 is the previous number and 117 is the next number. So let's see what is the answer. Yes, so the between number is 116. So as you can see, 116 115 से बड़ा है and 117 से छोटा है. So here we can see the middle number is one more than the previous number. So what is the previous number here? 115 and smaller than the next number, that is 117 से 116 छोटा है. Let's see the next example. 139 and 141 are the given numbers and we have to write down their middle number. Let's see what is the number. Yes, 140. So the middle number is 140, or else you can say between number. So here the previous number is 139. So 140 139 से एक ज़्यादा है and 141 से एक कम है. So students, take out new page and write down in your notebook between numbers exercise number 1. Start writing along with me from A to H. So students, in this exercise, that means in between numbers, two numbers are given and we have to write down their between number. So I will read out the numbers. A 128 130, B 215 217, C 437 439, D 393 395, E 166 167, 353 355, 489 491, 270 272. So students, in this blank we have to write down the between numbers. So let's see. So students, start writing. First one, 128 के बाद क्या आता है? 129 and then after that 130. So 129 is the between number of 128 and 130. Next 215. So 215 के बाद क्या आता है? 216 and then 217. So students, 216 between number है किसका? 215 and 217 का. So students, as you can see, 216 is greater than 215 and smaller than 217. C. 437. What comes after 437? 438 and then after that 439. So here you can see 438 is the between number of 437 and 439. D. 393. What comes after 393? Yes, 394 and after that 395. So students, here you can see 394 is one more than 393 and less than 395. So here 394 is the between number. E. 166. So 166 के बाद क्या आता है? 167 and then 168 is given. So 167 is the given number of 166 and 168. F. 353 355. So what is the between number here? 354. G. 489. So what comes after 489? 490 and then after that 491. So students, 490 यहाँ पे between number है. So 490 489 से बड़ा है but 491 से छोटा है. Last 270. 270 के बाद क्या आता है? 271 and 271 के बाद क्या आता है? 272. So 271 यहाँ पे between number है किसका? 270 and 272 का. So students, now take out new page and write down between numbers exercise 2. This homework you have to do in your maths notebook by yourself. So students, here we have completed our topic of before numbers, after numbers and between numbers, and I have attached the PDF of these exercises with the video. Students, you have to write down all these exercises in your maths notebook in good handwriting, and you have to practice for the same.